Hello everyone, I'm Annette from Annette's Makes and Bakes, and today I'm going to show you how to make enough buttercream to fill and decorate or cover an 8-inch cake. You are going to need butter or margarine. This olive is really nice to make a nice smooth buttercream. You need 250 grams of that, and icing sugar. I like to use silver spoon. You need 1 kilo. Okay, so 250 grams of butter or margarine and 1 kilo of icing sugar. So this is a 500 gram pack. So literally put half of it in there into your mixer. If you haven't got a stand mixer, then just use a hand mixer. Okay, so in your bowl goes the butter and then your kilo of icing sugar. Now, silver spoon is really fine and you do get dust, but it's easy enough to clean up. Turn it on to low, or put your hand mixer on low. And a bit over me. Alright, and then just let it go on low. Until it starts to blend in. Clean up that and me. Right, so once it's started to blend in with the icing sugar, it takes a little while and you have to be patient. Then you can turn the speed of your machine up. Okay, so can you hear the sound of the mixer changing? So the butter is starting to incorporate now into the icing sugar, so it's having to work harder. And then when it's got to that stage, crank it up and just let it blitz away. Just so you can hear what I'm saying. The longer you beat buttercream, the lighter in colour it goes. So if you want a really nice light colour, almost white, then just let it go for about 5 to 7 minutes. But yeah, just let it go on sort of a fairly high speed. And if you've got a hand mixer, you just really have to be patient. Okay, so I'm just going to let that go now. Okay, so stop it after a couple of minutes. Scrape down your blade and also the side of your bowl. And then put it back on again. Okay, this is just to make sure that what's inside of the bowl gets incorporated properly. Okay, so that's been blending for about 5 minutes, and that is now a lovely light creamy colour. Still creamy, but it is a very pale cream. I'll show you. Okay, it's fairly stiff, which is perfect for filling cakes, because you don't want your buttercream to be all squidgy and soft. Otherwise, all that's going to happen is it will come out of the sides of your cake and you'll end up with no buttercream in your cake and all of it squished out. All right, so then just empty it into an airtight container. And you can keep this in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. So you can make it well in advance. And when you need it, if you make it in advance, when you need it, take it out of the fridge the night before, so it has a good 12 hours to come back up to room temperature. If you're going to use buttercream to make to decorate cupcakes, you will need to add a capful, maybe 2 capfuls of milk to it to make it soft enough to go through a piping bag. But you can see how lovely that is. It's nice and smooth, not too much air into it, so it's got big air pockets. And if you do want to get the air pockets out to get a nice smooth finish on your cake, then just press through it like this a bit, okay, and that takes out lots of the air pockets and will give you a lovely smooth buttercream. Okay, so that's it, done. I'm going to put that in the fridge now to keep for later on. Okay, thanks for watching.